Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm gonna show you how to fix this site can't be reached error on Android mobile. So first, go to Google Chrome and click the three dots at the top right corner. Then, click on Settings and select Privacy and Security. Click the first one, Clear Browsing Data. Then, unselect this box. And select Clear Data. Again, select Clear. The second option, go to the Google and click the three dots again. Go to Settings and Privacy and Security. Now select Use Secure DNS and select Choose Another Provider. Click the drop-down menu and click Open DNS. Now the third option, go to Settings and click Connections. Then select SIM Card Manager. Tap on Mobile Data and choose your SIM to use your network. Now, the last option, go to Play Store and search for VPN. Now, select or choose a VPN that's available in your country. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.